show me show. About your delivery guy in me. Okay. But your we never get to do a VIP bus station, but wait me and you bring me. About your how many minutes? Okay. But your come on way. Right, that's right. Bravo. Me ba cho bravo.
Good afternoon.
How am I doing on my
Me ba cho wine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. What should I say?
I'm about to 20 cents.
It's not safe. Let's not say anything more. No, seriously.
My patrol, from there to this place is 20 Ghana cedis.
20 Ghana cedis.
I don't have change.
Oh, money war.
Madam Patrol say
money war.
I should keep the change?
Yeah.
But that's in a sure.
Oh.
May God bless you, madam.
Amen.
Madam Patrol, the mess.
Oh, it's not say. Mommy said we need to come back.
Oh, madam. We there, what down,
Miss Shaw.
Come in, go for no ma air quackmao, and think I'm person ye fast. Now come cover.
Anytime everything there, come me check. Miss Shaw, Miss we need to come back. Miss Shaw. Okay, and you will show more French.
Anything is okay for me.
All right. We are sorry. We need to be able to see you.
Oh, no problem. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again. Thank you once again.
Eddie, many miss someone. Oh, yeah, you want to check.
Patch on since secondary school, and I'm sure I send me here. And the first now, Madam for me. Now, Papa is security man. And now, we're motor. And I'm a jelly and I'm a yard. And I'm sure Madam for the American school, you to me to a school. And I'm also told motor to be my mina. Masha said the motor me delivering kakra. I'm so many did.
Okay. Nah, I don't advance here. Come to society more about you survey.
The thing said, you might use your dream about my boys now pro. I said, school settlement, me and to us one country. And you know what said, me winning kakra now, waiting to talk behind the name of my name of a pound.
Like, in case that because I'm more to school, so
are you sure?
Why not?
Helping me to continue my education?
Of course.
Wow.
And I'm ever ready to help you.
I will be very much happy.
So are you ready to go to?
I'm ready, madam. Madam,
ready?
oh, I'm ready.
Okay. How we gonna do is school gonna be so.
Okay, now can be some cooking University.
University.
Oh, Polytechnic.
Oseti come on.
Oh yeah. Will be back up. I'm very intelligent boy. Yeah. Sir, you that's madam. Oh, my friend cry.
But it's not mentioned.
What you say?
It's not mentioned.
Say, Mitiana also tia in a year. Madam, so what can I say to you?
It's not mentioned.
I should come and sit beside you.
Robert's not mentioned.
Okay, I'm coming.
But on top of the crash, show do you? How about taking the say?
It's the rule of the game.
If you are someone shall sleeps.
Yes.
What is ye or can wash?
Pacho, it's no quarantine. I will add anything you grab her. I will be cold.
Oh, I didn't know wrong.
Madam, what's so much alcohol?
It's not hey, then away. On beso be school.
Be person me go school.
No fair, Brandy ni ko.
And madam e try and me go school. Madam me say dia me tia cry.
It's not mention. Bra. Then away.
They are dancing. Agbaja.
How many Agbaja?
See them on the television.
Na say you.
It's nice. I like the way they are dancing.
Oh, girl.
Madam. Yes, no. Thank you. Madam Patron, can you present me corner?
Oh, they will check.
Madam.
I don't know we.
Madam, me wa yare bi o so. Obad ni saka me na yare me ba.
No more today I can be to hospital.
Your friend stop touching me disease. Obad ni saka me na I said
you're not serious.
Madam, I'm very serious.
You're not.
I'm serious. I want to go to school but na ba jo say I'm your Patron, I'm coming.
I'll pay you, don't worry.
Okay.
2,000
Madam, me patron with the wadaroma. I have a problem with my fingers.
Yes, no,
Son kron bra.
Ah.
Son kron bra. Hon kron bra. Ao bra.
Peso be ko squad.
Madam Pacho be
Not fail.
Pacho.
Me ho.
Tapi.
Tapi so me hasi.
Madam Mohefa.
Yeah.
Madam Pacho. Ni madam ka o se fra na ka me nyama o.
Ai.
I said, so the man is just in free. Just in free.
Actually, you need a name.
Oh, sorry. So, Madam Pacho, we okay?
For some, you know,
Okay.
it is. Me always ice. It is.
So,
What am I saying? No, I don't understand. Franka!
hey. I'm a delivery boy.
Delivery boy!
Yes, I came to deliver something for her.
Wait! And that is your position?
I can explain. Let me
If you one word from you, I will slap you. You know me.
Oh, Oga.
And that is your position you are standing.
It's not my position, but the thing is, I came to deliver something and.
Wait!
No, not much.
Why? I said don't talk. If you talk, I will slap you.
Okay, take out.
One thing is this: you are delivering something to my wife,
yes.
And then you have the ghost, and then you have the right to come inside my room.
Oga, the thing is, you don't understand. I came to deliver the thing.
Explain it for me.
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm explaining. And
Don't show me.
Your wife asked me to she's having a body pain.
Yeah.
She's having a body pain. So she asked me.
So if like having the body pain,
If I can ask
you are the right people or you are the right person to take care of my wife.
Okay, she begged me to apply ointment
Yeah, I did.
on her body for her. I